Here is today's question. 64 divided by 8 plus 4 times open parenthesis, 7 minus 5, close parenthesis squared. Before we solve it, pause the video and try it yourself. First, we're going to solve it the way many people do when they're in a hurry. First, solve the parentheses. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Now our expression becomes 64 divided by 8 plus 4 times 2 squared. At this point, many people immediately multiply 4 by 2. That gives 64 divided by 8 plus 8 squared. Now they calculate 8 squared. 8 squared equals 64. So the expression becomes 64 divided by 8 plus 64. Next, 64 divided by 8 equals 8. Finally, 8 plus 64 equals 72. So, is the answer 72? No, that answer is not correct. Why? Because we ignored one of the most important rules in mathematics. That rule is called PEMDAS. If you understand PEMDAS, you'll solve these kind of problems correctly every time. So what does PEMDAS mean? The letter P stands for parentheses. This means you always solve everything inside parentheses first. For example, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Another example is 12 plus 8, which equals 20. No matter what is inside the parentheses, you always solve it before moving on. The letter E stands for exponents. An exponent tells you how many times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, 3 squared means 3 multiplied by 3, which equals 9. 5 squared means 5 multiplied by 5, which equals 25. 2 cubed means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 8. Many people skip this step and begin multiplying too early. That's one of the biggest reasons they get the wrong answer. Next comes M for multiplication and D for division. Here is something very important. Multiplication does not always come before division. Division does not always come before multiplication. They have exactly the same priority. Whenever multiplication and division appear together, solve them from left to right. For example, 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. Some people multiply 6 by 2 first and get 12. Then they divide 24 by 12 and get 2. That answer is wrong. The correct method is to work from left to right. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So the correct answer is 8. Let's look at another example. 18 multiplied by 2 divided by 6. Again, work from left to right. 18 multiplied by 2 equals 36. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Simple. Now let's talk about A for addition and S for subtraction. These also have equal priority. You solve them from left to right. For example, 20 minus 5 plus 3. First, 20 minus 5 equals 15. Then 15 plus 3 equals 18. You do not do the addition first. Now let's return to today's challenge. Our original expression is 64 divided by 8 plus 4 times open parenthesis, 7 minus 5, close parenthesis squared. First, solve the parentheses. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Now the expression becomes 64 divided by 8 plus 4 times 2 squared. Next, solve the exponent. 2 squared means 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 4. Now the expression becomes 64 divided by 8 plus 4 multiplied by 4. Now remember, division and multiplication have equal priority. So we work from left to right. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. Now the expression becomes 8 plus 4 multiplied by 4. Next, for multiplied by 4 equals 16. Now the expression becomes 8 plus 16. Finally, 8 plus 16 equals 24. So the correct answer is 24. Did you get it right? If you did, congratulations. You followed PEMDAS correctly. If you got a different answer, don't worry. The more you practice, the better you'll become. If you enjoy these tricky math challenges and want to sharpen your math skills, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Now it's your turn. Solve this challenge. 48 divided by 6 times open parenthesis, 4 minus 2 close parenthesis. Don't rush. Apply PEMDAS carefully. Write your answer in the comments below, and let's see who gets it right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tricky math challenge.